My friend Gracey that called me. Let's see what she want. If I any mix up. If I mix up, I can't hear, but if I no mix up, I can't tell you.
Please leave your message for...
She just that called me.
If me hang up, what that's supposed to mean?
Where you hang up your phone for?
If me hang it up, what it's supposed to mean?
You're busy.
So if you know where you call me back for,
But you just call me.
and you don't see me answer you,
You call me first.
me call you, me don't get you, and me talk to my child, and me push you out, and you call back. Only bearing so.
But see ya. So that you call you answer the phone for come trace me?
You forget trace because you see me bounce it out and you still a call back and you just a call back. What is wrong with you?
Me a call back and you call me. And tap cut off my call and cut off who you are talk to.
I understand. Right? Me call you never pick up and me go call my kid.
Wow. So when me a call you, tell your pitney say me a call you and you go call them back.
Wow. It not work so.
Me special. Don't me do it for you?
You don't do nothing for me. Anytime you put them a call and you are talk, you keep them a call you and you go about your business. So no come tell me no foolishness about me no fear. Come on from the phone, go talk to my pikin.
Come take me off.
And that you put me in a group for you keep them over there, so just a true family name like overcome just a, and if Gracey not serious, and if Gracey not this, serious.
So no, you have to call the people them.
Yeah, I feel like to just cuss you and your people them.
Hear that? Why? Hear that?
She come talk about some man like say me alone work.
Who's this up?
Josephine, you know over there, and you put me in a group, take me out, man. Let's make a find a way to take out myself. So.
You can't come out there. Turn right. Turn right.
Report your page.
Turn right there, and that is a threat. That is a threat. You are still right there, Josephine. I want Josephine give it to you over there.
See the people them over there going out there and say good man.
That's true, they love you.
Yeah,
but you can't raise them up like how you raise me up.
I want over there go cuss them and that me tell you. If Gracey not serious with things, she can talk up straight and stop joke out their thing. People are look forward to whatever you both come in with to have the page growing and stop waste people time.
Josephine are the best.
I want Janet, she talk truth. Or true talk.
And your fans, them, they love you. They love you, that's why. But galang over there go trace them, make them come for you. Because you must think that you alone trace make for. Oi, must contract, oi. Me no drink no water from morning.
Josephine again.
Gracey,
you not try hard enough. Every time, every minute, every day you hear Gracey busy, Gracey at work. Come on now, run 24/7 so you don't need rest.
Josephine, I give it to you.
Christ.
Hey, Josephine, no play now. She's a real motivator. No, sir. But you remember the time when Josephine sell me out for you? When me buy the something for Amazon?
Amazon, yeah.
Josephine said, Dana, give her Gracey her money.
Now she alone, give me just this all I want it.
Yeah, she sell me out.
I'm not sell out, man. I talk truth. You know, they talk truth. She come like me, chat your mind.
Yeah, they're funny. You know, I have my supporters them on the page, and them just really stand out, you know.
And I said, I don't want, sometimes I don't want me so tired.
Yeah.
I understand how I'm tired.
Oh yeah, me get so much inbox from we supporters. Some of we supporters them way ask me when we are gonna post and when we are gonna post it with the Gracey. We just love listen to no entertain me. Yeah, somebody takes somebody and say in the kitchen and them just have the phone and listen to it on the video. It's like when the video done, it's like they could have still listen, they just laugh so the water come out of their eye. Them funny. If Gracey can make me, if you can make me make water come out, right now water just come out of my eye a while ago. If you can make me a water run out of my eye, you know what me I go cook right now? Some corned beef and rice. Me feel fit with some mixed vegetable.
Me not too love corned beef like that. For some reason, it give my stomach a little burn.
You know, so me not eat corned beef.
Typical Jamaican people, quick to go, you know?
Yeah.
Like a quickie dish.
Me I do laundry right now, and me say, me I go. Yeah, me I do. Me there I do laundry. Yeah. You got the one tomorrow?
I'm a weekend off.
All right.
But
Yeah,
you
me
could
say.
have to come pick me up because I'm not have no vehicle.
Oh no, me not got the one tomorrow.
See then?
Yeah, me not got the one tomorrow. Tomorrow. Me not go can pick you
tomorrow
up.
and Sunday, girl, that's it.
Tomorrow
and Sunday because it's my weekend off. What the hell is that? Water. What's that water?
I post my nail product. I go live on Facebook today.
Yeah, that's nice. I'm so busy till me not see nothing.
Right, you don't see the notification.
No, me not get no. Are you new page?
Yeah.
Come to think of it, me not